Good morning. I'm Kiran Raj. Welcome to the online classes on problem solving using C. And today we'll discuss about character array and strings. Introduction. So what you are going to do here is you will be trying to store the string or the character in the array. So let us first see what is string or what is string constant. String is a sequence of characters that is treated as single data item. For example, man is obviously made to think. That is a string. What about string constant? Any group of characters placed between the double quotation is the string constant. So this is also the string constant. Now if you notice here, I have used two printf statement. So where I am having in the first printf statement, it will be printing man is obviously made to think inside the double quotation, and in the second statement man is obviously made to think it is just printed as it is and double quotation will not be included. Okay. So here how the double quotation it got included, because I am going to use the escape sequence, that is slash, right? And now let us see what are the operations that you can perform on the string. You can do the reading and writing. You can combine two strings. You can combine one string with the another string. You can compare the string, and then you can just extract the portion of the string, that is substring. Declaring and initializing the string variables. Again, C doesn't have the data type that is called as string, but C makes use of the character data type and the array structure, and it is going to create the character array. So it is going to represent the string in the format of the character array. So here you are, as I already mentioned, you are not going to have the string data type, you are going to have the character data type, but along with that you are going to make use of the array. So it is character array, character, then array name, that is string name, then the size. So as I already mentioned, in the one dimension array, when you are going to trying to store the character, always the end of the string is noted by the null character. So this is the example, character city 10 and character name 30. That time name array will be created with 30 blocks. While coming to here also, city array will be created with the 10 blocks. And how many bytes it is going to consume? In the first one it is going to consume only 10 bytes. In the second one it is going to consume around 30 bytes, because character is only going to consume 1 byte. So here character city 9 New York. So New York will be placed, and the last one the null character will be placed. Either you can use this notation or you can use the separate them by the single quotation, which is already explained in the array chapter. Now if you notice here, I have not mentioned the size. So what will be the size? Size will be the individual letters that is mentioned plus 1, because you have to store the null character also. So the size will be 5 here. Okay. If you notice here, I mentioned the size also. So what will be done here? Null character will be placed in the empty spaces. Illegal initialization. Now if you notice here, what is the size that I have provided? I have only given 3. So it is going to create str2 of length 3. But what is the amount of memory that I'll be requiring 5 bytes, but what is provided only 3 bytes. So this cannot be done. Now see here also, character str of 3, 5. So I provided sufficient memory, but again this is not valid. Why? Because for the string I cannot directly store the value. Okay. If you want to store the value, you can store it only during the runtime execution, or you have to make sure that declaration and the initialization is done at the same time. Here declaration is done separately and initialization is done separately. That is not possible. Or else you can go for the runtime execution. There it is possible. Now if you notice another one here, character S1 of 4, ABC, and character S2 of 4, okay, sufficient memory is there, and ABC got stored in S1 also, no problem. But the problem arises here. S2 is equal to S1. One string cannot be assigned to the another string directly. Okay. So this is also not possible. You can use the string copy, which will come, or which we will discuss in the later classes. You can use string copy for doing this operation. Terminating null character. As I already mentioned, the null character represents the end of the string. So what is the importance of the end of the string? That time when the compiler, let us say that it is going to do the operation on the particular string, it should come to know where it is going to end, right? So it will come to know, easily come to know, okay, this string got ended here. The main reason is so that the compiler will come to know where the string will get end. Now here it will also come to know the string will end here. But if you notice here, in these two strings there is no problem. Compiler will come to know easily because it is mentioned 9 characters, and it is only taking 9 characters, while coming to here this is taking 5 characters. No problem. But the problem is mainly is in this one. I mentioned str of 10. So if the null character is not present, then when I assess it, for example, G is assessed, O is assessed, O is assessed, D is assessed, then when it encounters null character, it will stop assessing it. Or else what will happen? Or else if the null character is not the terminating one, then G, O, D, then null, they will also come. Okay? They will also be assessed, but that should not be the case, right? Reading the string from the terminal. So let us use scanf statement to take the string or to accept the string. So you can use %s format specification for assessing the string. For example, if I want to assess the address, then I can use the %s, then the address in this scanf. So which is very similar to scanf in the variable also. But the main problem in the scanf is, as soon as it encounters white spaces, it is going to terminate that scanf statement. For example, let me try to insert New York. So as soon as it encounters space here, only new will be taken. So it is going to terminate the scanf statement. So for example, if I use this one, then only new will be stored in the address part. And what will happen? the York will go to the next one. Okay, so that is a problem in the scanner. You can also mention the field specifier, which is again very similar to the managing input and output class, where field specifier, that is W, represents the field width, and it will also specify how many elements that you can take. For example, let me consider I want to insert, or let me say that I've given the field specifier, that is 5, see here 5, right? That means what? Only 5 characters will be taken. That means I can insert good there. So good will be taken. But I cannot insert Kiran. I can insert Kiran there, but N will be neglected, because string you are going to need the support of null character also. Then why the good is taken? G O O D, then the null character. But what happened in the Kiran? K I R A N. So 5 characters only be taken. So N cannot be taken, and instead of that I should take the null character. Okay. So if you see here, when you specify the field width or the field specifier, there are 2 cases or the 2 chances. In one case where the W or the field that you provided is more, and in another case where W is lesser. First, let us consider where W is greater, okay, where W is greater. That is field width is greater, and I am only trying to insert RAM now. So that time R A M will get insert, and that is the end of the string, right? So I'll be having here slash 0, and while coming to here I can have the nothing will be present here. Okay, but what about Krishna now, where W is now lesser, right? Lesser compared to the Krishna, because Krishna is having KRISHNA 7 characters, but what about W? W is 5 only. So only K R I S, then the null will be included. What about the rest of them? Rest of them, that is, what about NA and those things? They are truncated or they are eliminated. Now reading the line from the text, I already mentioned that you cannot have the white space in the this one, that is scanf, but to overcome that, what to do? You can have the edit set conversion can be present with you, so you can make use of this one. Then you can mention that is not null, sorry, not new line character. So even if you enter white spaces, it is going to take the value. So you can enter New York now. So in the line, New York will be stored. It will only come out when new line or enter is going to be pressed. Either you can use this one, that is edit next, edit set conversion can be used, or you can use the get char and the gets here. So gets, you can take the string, complete string, but while coming to the get char, you have to store it in something. You may have to use loops there, mainly while loop or do while loop need to be used there. Thank you.